The Greater Bengaluru Authority, under the leadership of Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar, has rolled out a major digital property reform with over 23 lakh property owners issued e-Khatas across the city. Officials said the e-Khatas were generated based on property tax records and shared with citizens via SMS and WhatsApp. The platform has also received the National E-Governance Gold Award 2025, recognizing its scale and impact. The system enables automatic mutation of ownership after registration and allows citizens to make certain corrections online. Approvals are processed automatically within 5 working days with integration across BESCOM and property tax systems. Authorities stated that more than 7,000 B-Khata to E-Khata applications have been cleared, with new requests to be processed within 15 days. Over 37,480 flats in multi-story buildings with occupancy certificates have received automatic e-Khatas. In addition, around 1.19 lakh out of 1.27 lakh new Khata applications have been disposed of, with a target to complete approvals within 1 month. To improve service delivery, the GBA will set up 10 one-stop citizen services centers across Bengaluru on the lines of Passport Seva Kendras for processing property-related services. Weekly e-Khata open houses will also begin from May 16th at 50 locations. Officials said each center will handle about 100 cases, resolving nearly 5,000 grievances every week. The initiative also introduces an online system for property subdivision, both within families and beyond, as per government norms.
Today we are announcing a very great opportunity for the citizens of Bangalore. A great day for the entire Bangalore. I am very happy to announce that Bangalore administration, Bangalore governance, after the GBA came to existence, of the 5 corporation came to existence, within 10 months we have created a record. We have digitalized 25 lakh khatas. We have scanned all the documents connected to all the records. There were 7,436 registers in 64 ARO offices. All these have been scanned and kept. We didn't want anyone to misuse them. So in Karnataka, we had a great history of our RTCs also, Panis, called the Bhumi. This is the Bhumi guarantee. This is the 6th guarantee of the Congress government, which has been awarded by the central government. I am very happy. Looking at us, the central government, they never thought that Karnataka can do such a great effort. So we have made khatas of 25 lakhs people, and almost 10 lakhs have already been sent a message to all of them. Some of them have got the WhatsApp orders also in the WhatsApp. So next 17 lakh, which has been still there, will start moving from there. Then who can't disclose, who can't take them, who can't download, we'll print it out and send those copies to their physical copies to their houses. So we have everything on online and on the control of the fingertips of everyone. I think they are going to get those this one records. More than 2,200 people have worked day and night for 10 months. About 50,000 mandates has been involved in this. So 25 lakh of e-Khatas in Bangalore. It is a big record. And we are coming out with about A to B Khatas also, B to A Khatas. Now we have got only 7,000 Khatas ready. But for those people who never have Khata, we thought that many of my opposition friends gave me a lot of suggestions. They were telling complaints. We have looked to all those things. But we want to see that every record has been right. So we are asking for the documentation of those records, the stamp register documents, They're connected, Aadhaar card. So we wanted to correct every Aadhaar card. We want to have it online. We wanted to be done in a Google. We wanted the pinpoints of what do you call it? GPS. A GPS for every document. The sketch, the place of the document will be every photo. Every document will have their photograph. Every Khata will have a GPS. Every Khata will have the shape of the property. The measurement of the property will be there. So we are going in detail. Already A to B Khata, B to A Khata, more than 7,000 have been applied. We have cleared those. Who are wanted to pay them and they can try to get it. For those who could not apply and take it opportunity, we have given them. I am opening 50 places, 50 centers will be opened in various government schools. We will announce in some places, in some assembly segment, there may be corporation, there may be more than 10, some will be 4 or 5, looking on the length and breadth of the areas. So more than 50 will be announced. All of them will working on the Saturday. Saturday, this Khata Mela will be done. Is Nanna Khate, Nanna Sottu. It is his Khata, it is his property right he is going to get. So he has to come and apply again with the document. We will try to sort out on the spot. If not, we are going to give a number. We will ask him to come after 15 days. We will visit the site. We will know that, because we will have to see that whether the document he has submitted is right or wrong. Already now we have decided through the law that all the roads in the revenue records has been taken over by the government. Those property belongs to the government itself. We are starting developing on those areas. So merely we might have spent not big money, but still the work what we have done on this 25 lakhs Khata is a great number which has been created in history. I am very happy to announce that Government of India, looking at us, has awarded us, said that this is a model for the entire country, and I would like to thank them. A great done has been done by my GBA Commissioner and Mr. Mudgil and our Maheshwar Rao and his team. All of them have worked together. More than about 200 persons, officers have been worked, and now those who doesn't have will also be encouraged. I think more than 7,000 are already cleared. I think still we are expecting. I think more than about 10 lakh other Khata holders also should get the benefit. So we are given an opportunity to all of them. I accept the request of various opposition party members also. They were just discussing on this. So I am not in a hurry, but at the same time, I want their document to be upright. I can also open it overnight, like earlier thing. But since we have taken it forward, I want to see that all of them get. So all of them who could not download, we will print those Khatas and see that all the 25 lakh people will get their Khata to their home where they are residing, free of cost. This is a great gesture by the government of Karnataka, a new government, and we have taken up this lead. We will see that every citizen is safe. And as far as apartment is concerned, almost all the who had gone the occupancy certificate of their areas, we have already cleared all the documents. They can download. If they doesn't download, we will send them the link. They can make use of it and get it. We have cleared all the Khatas.